Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
In this video, I will show how to make banana bread. First, mash 3 ripe bananas in a medium bowl until they are mostly smooth, leaving a few small lumps for texture. In a separate bowl, whisk together 1 large egg and 1/2 cup of granulated sugar until well combined. Then, stir in 1/4 cup of melted butter and 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract into the wet ingredients. This creates a flavorful base for your bread. Next, in a separate bowl, combine 1 1/2 cups of all-purpose flour, 1 teaspoon of baking soda, and 1/2 teaspoon of salt. Whisk these dry ingredients together thoroughly. Now, gently fold the dry mixture into your wet banana mixture until just combined. Be careful not to overmix, as this can lead to tough banana bread. A few streaks of flour are perfectly fine. Now, pour your delicious banana bread batter into a greased 9 by 5-inch loaf pan. You can sprinkle a few chocolate chips or nuts on top if you like. Bake in a preheated oven at 350 degrees Fahrenheit for 50 to 60 minutes, or until a toothpick inserted into the center comes out clean. Let it cool in the pan for 10 minutes before transferring to a wire rack to cool completely. For the best flavor, always use very ripe bananas with plenty of brown spots. These bananas are sweeter and easier to mash. Once baked, your banana bread can be stored at room temperature for 2 to 3 days, or frozen for up to 3 months. It's perfect for breakfast or a snack. Don't forget to check the description below for a link to a fantastic book that can truly change how you think about money, as well as other great deals we've found for you.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.